Inviting candidates to participate in assessments with Test Invite is made simple with various options available. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to extend invitations to your candidates through manual means and personalized email invitations. The method of inviting candidates is dependent on the authentication method set for your task. You can check your task's current authentication method by going to the Task Settings, accessing the Access section, and expanding the Authentication panel. If the authentication method for your task is set to Public Access, all you need to do is share the task link with your candidates. This link can be found in the dashboard of your task and can be shared manually or through invitation emails that include the link. Let's send invitation emails to the candidates, including the task link. To get started, navigate to the Candidates panel, choose the candidates you want to invite, and then click on the email button located at the top toolbar. The email builder will open. You can write the subject line, including a placeholder for the candidate's name. Next, compose the body of the email with the task link as a placeholder. You can preview the email and select any of the recipients to see the email they will receive. After filling in the sender information and the reply to address, you can click on the Send button to send the emails. Congratulations, the emails are now being sent. I will now demonstrate another example where the task is configured to be accessible by using unique invitation codes. I begin by updating my task's authentication method. Then, I will register multiple candidates using the batch registration through text input feature. Each line of the text input includes the name of the candidate, their email address, and a label that we will assign to them separated by a comma. I assign the label example2 to all candidates, as it will make tracking easier. After clicking on the Next button, I map the values extracted from the text with their respective properties of the candidate. Once I finish mapping, I click on the Continue button and preview the list of candidates that are about to be registered. Finally, I proceed to import the list of candidates. The system automatically selects the newly registered candidates, making it easy to proceed with sending invitation emails. I will now add another candidate manually on top of the ones we've already imported. Let's call him John and label him with example2 as well. Since our task requires invitation codes for accessibility, you can simply click on the menu icon next to the candidate and select Copy Access Link. The link will be copied, which you can then share with the corresponding candidate. Once they follow the link, they will automatically gain access to the assessment because the link already contains the invitation code. To send email invitations to candidates with their own access links, select the candidates, then click the email button. The email builder will appear with the previous template. You can remove the task link from the body of the email to include a personal access link that has a unique invitation code for each candidate. Select the Include option under the Assessment Access button label and configure the label of the button and the text that appears above it. Choose the Direct Login option to include the invitation code in the link, allowing candidates to log into their assessment directly by clicking on the link. Preview each candidate's email in the preview panel before clicking the Send Email button. Once sent, all emails are recorded. I will demonstrate a final example where we will personalize the email for each candidate. Let's say we want to mention the job position that the candidate has applied for in the email. To do this, I will register a few candidates and also include the position tag for each candidate. I will use the text input method to import the candidates, where each line represents a candidate, and the third value will be assigned to the position tag. After mapping the values with their respective properties, I register all the candidates. Next, I click on the email button to send the invitation emails. To add the tag value inside the email body, I click on the Add Placeholder button and select the tag name position. The preview panel shows that each candidate's email will include the position they are applying for. I hope this has been a helpful tutorial on how to share the task link or the personalized access link and send personalized emails that include all the necessary information. Thank you for watching and see you in another tutorial.